Racing just started. We have Blue Shake beginning nicely at the start. King's Dominion is by Darila. Carmelita, Luck of the Irish. Kampai comes next. Then followed over by Copperhead, while Trojan Knight is the early trailer. We have Luck of the Irish, King's Dominion. Carmelita is down in third. Blue Shake, Kampai. Next on line is Copperhead, while Trojan Knight is still racing in seventh. And going along for the first turn, we have King's Dominion maintaining a half-length lead, and on the outside comes Luck of the Irish. Carmelita is down in third. By the rail port comes Blue Shake. Kampai comes next on line now is Copperhead, while Trojan Knight still racing in seventh. Back to the leader, we have King's Dominion by a length. Kampai moving up by the railer on the outside third. Blue Shake. Carmelita comes next. Luck of the Irish, then followed over by Copperhead, while Trojan Knight is still racing in seventh. And at the fourth turn, Kampai by about half length. Moving up now on the outside is Blue Shake to take the lead. We have Blue Shake now saying it's my turn to take the lead. Kampai drops back in second. King's Dominion as they swing for home. We have Blue Shake by about 3 lengths now. Kampai in second. King's Dominion moving up. Carmelita, Copperhead with about 75 meters of the race. We have Blue Shake, and finally it's Blue Shake second. Kampai, then comes King's Dominion, Carmelita.